Some people say that if you want to use your time wisely, you should track it. Is it true? Let's figure it out. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. Time can be considered as a non-renewable resource, and if we talk about time in the context of business, as any other kind of resource, it should be counted. Why is that? Well, the first and the most obvious reason is that we don't want to pay someone for doing nothing. But it's equally important to understand how exactly your team or someone you hired spends their working time. It's a matter of analysis rather than control. If you are a team leader, you need a firm understanding of why some tasks take more time than others, how they could be improved, and how all that could impact the whole workflow. Tack is the perfect tool for tracking time. Tack allows for tracking time in timer mode or entering it manually. You can view and edit the whole week, which can be really handy. If you click here on the weekly summary, you can see the outline of the particular week. If you are a team leader or an admin, you can see all the users' entries pending approval, and you can click on the users to see details, projects, tasks, billable and non-billable hours, etc. Tack is now launching on PitchGround.com as a lifetime deal, so make sure to get one. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.